Welcome back to A Driver in a Drone. Today, we are at a rest area in Williams Creek, California. The local birds decided to declare war on my drone and almost shot me out of the sky. This is where they swarmed my drone and almost knocked me out of the sky. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy today's video. Let's fly. Thanks for watching. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to not miss future content. Share this video to help my channel grow. Peace.